Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 133rd question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Now let's start solving this one. The question says that a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Okay, so this is a very simple question. This is actually giving us two conditions which we have to solve to get the final answer. So the part 1 says, it was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article, let the cost be C, cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. So the cost, I am denoting it by C, and the number of articles I am denoting by N. So cost is equal to 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Now if the total cost of production on that day was 90, total cost of production will be C multiplied by N is equal to given as 90. So this is condition 1 and this is condition 2. Okay, if I just replace the value of C from here into this equation, I should get the answer. So what it actually becomes is 3 plus 2N multiplied by N is equal to 90. And if I solve this further, what I get is 3n plus 2n square minus of 90 equal to 0. Let me write it in the standard format of a quadratic equation. This is 2n square plus 3n minus 90 is equal to 0. Factorizing this is very easy if you know the tables, because I have to get 180 and 180 comes in the table of 15 12s. So it becomes 2n square minus 12n plus 15n minus 19 is equal to 0. And this will be, if I take 2n common, it will be n minus 6 plus of 15 into n minus 6 is equal to 0. And this becomes equal to, if I take n minus 6 common here, this becomes equal to n minus 6 into 2n plus 15 is equal to 0. Now you see, the number cannot be negative. Okay, the number of items produced in the factory cannot be negative. If I equate this to 0, I am getting n is equal to minus of 15 by 2. Since the number cannot be negative, I ignore this part of the solution. N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 is the solution that I have to accept. Okay, because number will be positive. And if n is equal to 6, I know that the value of C is given to us as 3 more than twice the number. So C becomes equal to 3 plus 2 into 6, which is equal to 15. Okay, so the final answer is that the cost of producing each article on that day was 15 and the number of articles produced on that day was 6. And this is the solution, my friends. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.